Now coming to the next operation, which is called as union of two sets. Now what is union of two sets? The union of two sets A and B is a set which consists of all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. In intersection, what we had? Just the common elements in set A and set B. Here what do we have in union? All the elements of set A plus all the elements of set B. We write such a set as A union B. You see, union is represented by the letter U. It is a proper U. When we said intersection, it was the opposite of union, written this way, right? It was inverted symbol. Intersection is opposite of union in this symbol, okay? So A union B, and it is read as A union B. Now, how do we write it as, how do we define the set A and B, union of them, that is A union B, by the rule method? So, A union B consists of all the element X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Now, what is the difference between A intersection B and A union B when we write it like this in the rule method? In the rule method, when we wrote A intersection B, we said set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. There was and there in between when we said intersection. But here it is union. So X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Let us understand what it is by an example. We have taken example 1 where we have set A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B having the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We first mark which are the elements which are common between the two sets. Clearly for us, the last two elements in set A are repeated in set B as the first two elements. Let us mark them 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, is it here? No. 6, 7, 8, is it here? No. So only 4 and 5 is the intersection. Okay. Now I have to write A union B. Let me write this set last. Okay, we'll fill in the elements last. First we'll complete the Venn diagram so we understand from the Venn diagram how we write this set. First we have the common elements which are 4 and 5. Which place will that occupy in this Venn diagram? The place which is overlapping both set A and set B. Now here I have set A and set B. Okay. So I will correct this here. This is not set C, set A and set B. Okay, we have written set A and set B. Now I have to write the elements inside this. First we write the elements which are common to both the sets. That is 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So I write here 4 and 5. Now once 4 and 5 is written, what are the elements in set A which are still left? That is 1, 2 and 3. In set B, once 4 and 5 is written, what are the elements which are still left? 6, 7 and 8. So now we look at this diagram and then see how we fill in A union B. We have to write all the elements here now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is how we get A union B. When we did A intersection B, what had we to look at? Only this common region. But when we write A union B, we have to see in this region, then the common region, and then in this region, and then fill in the elements. Let us go to example 2. We have set X having the elements U, V, W, A, B and C. We have the set Y having the elements A, B and C. Okay, now we look at set x and set y and first see which are the common elements. In set y, I have the elements a, b and c. Set x has all the elements a, b and c. So you see here a, b and c, a, b and c. So what is the relation between set y and set x? Set y is a subset of set x because all the elements of set y are in set x. That means set y has to be a part of set x. Set y has the elements a, b and c. So what are the remaining elements in set x? U, v and w. So that will occupy the other portion in set x other than this portion, that is u, v and w. Now we have written all the elements. Now we have to write what is x union y, because these are the two sets. So x union y will consist of all the elements which are written here, that is u, v, w, a, b and c. So I write here u, v, w, a, b and c. So when one set is a subset of the other, and then we have to find the union between the two, what happens? The bigger set, the set of which the smaller set is a subset, becomes the union of it. See here, u, v, w, a, b and c. Here also the same elements u, v, w, a, b and c. So the bigger set is the answer for union. But if I were to find the intersection between the two sets, what happens at that time? The smaller set which forms a subset of the other, that becomes the intersection of x and y, or x intersection y will be set y. Here x union y was this, which means that x union y will be which set? It is the set x. When does that happen? When set y is the subset of set x.